Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about AWS Fargate. We'll talk about what AWS Fargate is, benefits of AWS Fargate, use cases for AWS Fargate, and how AWS Fargate works in an application environment. Let's dive in. AWS Fargate is a serverless compute engine for containers that works with both Amazon Elastic Container Service (ECS) and Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service (EKS). AWS Fargate eliminates the need for provisioning and management of servers. It improves security through application isolation by design. AWS Fargate offers applications monitoring through built-in integrations with AWS services like Amazon CloudWatch Container Insights or gathering metrics and logs with third-party applications. This service lets you specify and pay for resources per application. Let's talk about benefits of AWS Fargate. AWS Fargate offers the following benefits for your organization. Manage your applications, not infrastructure. Monitor your applications to gain metrics and insights. Improve security through isolation. And optimize for cost. Let's explain each of these benefits. Manage your applications, not infrastructure. Deploy and manage your applications, not infrastructure. Remove the operational overhead to scale, patch, help secure, and manage servers. Monitor your applications to gain metrics and insights. Monitor your applications through built-in integrations with AWS services like Amazon CloudWatch Container Insights or gather metrics and logs with third-party tools. Improve security through isolation. Improve security through workload isolations by design. Amazon ECS tasks and Amazon EKS pods run in their own dedicated runtime environment. Optimize for cost. Pay only for compute resources used with no upfront expenses. Further optimize costs with savings plans, Fargate Spot, or AWS Graviton processors. Now let's talk about use cases for AWS Fargate. AWS Fargate supports the following use cases which cover the need of a broad spectrum of customers: web apps, APIs and microservices, modernize applications, support AI and ML applications, and data processing. Let's elaborate each of these use cases. Web apps, APIs, and microservices. Build and deploy your applications, APIs, and microservices architectures with the speed and immutability of containers. Remove the need to own, run, and manage the lifecycle of a compute infrastructure so you can focus on your applications. Modernize applications. Use AWS Fargate with Amazon ECS or Amazon EKS to more easily run and scale your containerized workloads. Migrate and run your Amazon ECS Windows containers without refactoring or re-architecting your legacy applications. Support AI and ML applications. Create a flexible and portable artificial intelligence and machine learning development environment. Train, test, and deploy your ML models with scalable resources that boost server capacity while avoiding over-provisioning. Data processing. Run data processing workloads, scale up to 16 vCPU, and 120 GB memory per task, and integrate with AWS Batch for serverless parallel processing. Excellent. Now let's see how AWS Fargate works in a typical application environment. AWS Fargate is compatible with both Amazon ECS and Amazon EKS. Select any OCI-compliant container image, define memory and compute resources, and run the container with serverless compute. The diagram is created by Amazon Web Services. Two sections display in the diagram from the left to right. The first section is titled Without Fargate and shows how containerized applications run without Fargate. The second section is titled With Fargate and shows how containerized applications run in an environment managed by AWS Fargate. We recommend you read the diagram and get a better understanding of the advantages of using AWS Fargate. In conclusion, use AWS Fargate while focusing on building applications. You manage less, choose how you pay, and improve security through isolation by design. That's all for AWS Fargate. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.